Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of spoon rests. Now this is a porcelain stoneware, so it's got a beautiful glaze on it, and it can be used for more than just a spoon rest. You can use this to put jewelry in, or even a coaster if you really wanted to, but it does come in a variety of colors. I was sent the blue one. It's got porcelain all the way through. There's no extra anything on here, which is great because then you can put it in the washer, you can put it in the oven, all of the things this will be fantastic for. So if you wanted to put it next to your stove, you can easily set your spoons on it, have it hold different spoons, or like I said, you can use it for jewelry. I'm gonna bring it in here close so you can take a look at these beautiful spoon rests. So here these are up close. Like I said, it's about a 7-inch diameter here. It's got a nice slotted area so your spoon can just lay on here. So if you did get the spoon dirty, you can easily clean it off. Like I said, you can put jewelry on there if you want to put jewelry on. It's got a nice lip all the way around the side to catch any liquids that you might have. And then on the back here, it tells you all of the different ways that you can use this because it is that porcelain. It's a nice size to be able to put. It's got a beautiful design. I love how pretty they are. Small, yet perfect for any size things you may have for cooking and any jewelry that you might want to use.